you guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Vlogtober day 6. In this vlog, you guys, I'll just be doing a little housework, and I did a little organization. I put a few jars that I had in my last Vlogtober haul from Home Goods. I finally put all those things in their respective places. All my snacks and the things that I use, I put them in their canisters. So right now I'm just pretty much doing folding clothes. I did work today. Work was work. I am feeling some type of way about my job. Like, I'm asking God to guide me where I need to go. I'm not feeling rewarded. I'm not feeling a sense of accomplishment or reward at my current job. And they're steadily demanding that we do certain things that's outside of our ability. Not really outside of our ability. Like, it's like you could tell somebody to do XYZ, but you don't give them the supplies and the tools to do XYZ. That's where I'm at. Do I care to tell them what is lacking? Yes, we've been telling them that, or I've been telling them that. Oops. I've been telling them that as long as I've been employed at this company. And when people don't listen to you and they're not valuing you as of your advice or what you are offering to the table, or you're offering because it's the job that you do, that's real discouraging. And I feel like I'm a rock in a hard place. Like, I don't, if you can tell people what your problem is, and if they're not going to fix the problem, how do you think you're going to get better solutions? It's like they want you to stand there, and if it's not going to rain today, it's like they're telling you by the end of the day you better make it rain today, when you don't have the power to make it rain. But then someone is telling you to make it rain, but you don't have the power to make it the outside rain. I don't know. I don't know. I'm probably not explaining this right or whatever. Basically, they don't value your input on how to better the company. They don't. And they use so many excuses, which I don't even listen to them anymore. I just sit there. I just sit at the job like a bump on the log, and I'm really to the point where I'm just ready to quit, because I'm not finding. Basically, they're wasting my time. I feel like where I work, they're wasting my time, and I'm really praying on it, and I'm really trying to give it some effort and give it some time to think about it. But at this point, yeah, they wasting my time. Like, and I'm not a negative person, and I'm not trying to be a negative person. However, I just feel like I'm in a position that it's just to the point where my opinion or my input for the job, if I'm doing the work, is not valued or is not taken into consideration. And I'm not going to keep on saying the same thing over and over and over again, and they're not really valuing what I'm saying. And it's like there's always an excuse for somebody else's bad behavior, or the reason why someone else doesn't do their job that has to be done, but just to keep them in the job or whatever, or because you like them or whatever. And they're in this, I don't know. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to quit. But I'm asking God to direct my path and give me peace at whatever decision I decide to make, because now it's becoming to be, my health is deteriorating. And anytime your health deteriorates, because you're in a position where it's like, you're in a position where you just feel helpless. Like, you don't feel valued. I feel helpless and I feel devalued at this company. So I'm willing to just quit. Quit. I'm not a job hopper. I left a 16-year job. And the reason why I left that job is because I wasn't getting paid my worth. I it was kind of like how I became complacent. And making $14 an hour while you look online and you see the same job you do, makes, I was basically $14 an hour versus $30 an hour. That tell you how low I was being paid for what I was doing, and I've been on that job for 16 years. And I know people, people might be like, "Oh, you're crazy. You had 16 years." No. Why get used? Why be used? And I think that's where I'm at with this company that I'm at right now. You're using me. You're using me for a seat, to have a warm body, and you want me to work miracles on something that you're not even doing your part on, but you want me to work miracles. That ain't gonna happen. That ain't gonna happen. I don't feel satisfied. I don't feel appreciated. I don't even care. It's almost gotten to the point where it's not that, it's like I don't really want to put any more effort into the job. And that's where I'm at. And I have gone to the company, and expressed this opinion, which, like I said, it went nowhere. It goes nowhere. It went nowhere. I'm not going to keep bumping my head, or I'm not going to keep harping over something that's not going to change. So I'm really asking God to guide me where I need to go with this, because I'm really on the verge of quitting, just not even showing up, drop off my equipment that I have for the company, and not even showing up. I'm not going to give them 30 days. If my job happened to see this video, I'm not giving you 30 days. Another job is not going to wait on me. Wait till, no, I'm not doing that. You don't pay me enough to tell me how long you want me to stay on the company. That's that power that I'm not that hard up over no job. It's not like I'm not educated. I do respect my jobs. I do respect where I work, and and I'm gonna give them all the respect that is deserved, and you will get the respect that's not given as well. In that same breath, you're not gonna use me to get what you want and then toss me away like oh well. I have to do that to them. I have to value me first. I value me first all day long. I value me first when it comes to other people. I value me first when it comes to my family. I value me first. I value me first. If I'm going through anxieties and you don't understand my pain, and you don't understand what I'm going through, I value me first. I used to never value me first. I used to value everybody else first. I used to value everyone else first. I used to think about how other people's feelings. When at this point in the game, I'm not thinking about anybody else's feelings, and I'm just asking God to direct my path. You don't have people that, you got a lot of people out here that say, "Oh, I support you if you need anything." Whatever. But what I'm saying is, I'm just asking God to direct my path and where I need to go, because right now I'm feeling I don't feel where I'm at is worth my time anymore. They're wasting my time. Hey, you guys, I just wanted to come in here quick because I remembered that I had just stuck all that stuff back in there. But I just wanted you guys to see how clean and organized this is versus having a lot of boxes and bags that take up space. Because you can see right here, these few items that I have right here, they're kind of taking up space. But once I get some more of these containers, I will be able to put these items in their respective containers. Hey, you guys, we are at the movie theater. So, what movie are we seeing?
Woman King.
Okay, we're at the movie theater where we're at is actually, I don't know, I haven't been in this movie theater since, we haven't been in this movie theater since COVID, have we?
Nope.
That's been almost, what, 2 years ago?
Yep.
We ain't been in this movie theater in almost 2 years. I don't even know if they serve food in here no more. We don't even know if they serve food in here anymore. Anyway, say hi, Walter.
Hello.
Did you buy the tickets already?
I'm getting here.
What is that one?
The movie, The Woman King, where we're going to go see. So it's based on 2 events, and she starred.
What is it? What's this movie? What's that one? The
Don't
Woman
Worry,
King?
Darling. Yes, that's one we're going to go see.
Okay. Okay, that's what we're going to go see. I'll see you guys inside the movie theater. Hi, you guys. We are at the movie theater. It's 3 people in here, so won't be recording no movies or nothing. Just letting y'all know.